How to create TubeBuddy account. Creating a TubeBuddy account unlocks extra features and analytics to optimize your YouTube channel's performance and improve your video content. So here I am in their website. This is tubebuddy.com. Now what I'm going to do is sign in, this one here. After that, you're just going to click this one here, sign in with Google. But first things first, you're going to go here, check these two things here. And then we're going to click this one. Alright, so choose an account. I'm going to be choosing my email. Alright, there you go. And congratulations, that is how you're going to create TubeBuddy account.
If you're eager to speed up your YouTube game, you'll love the full version of TubeBuddy. It seriously turbocharges your growth. Grab a discount on your next TubeBuddy subscription using our affiliate link below. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if this helps you out.